cooking with... Forget it, I'm getting out.
First, we're gonna fire up the grill. Next, we're gonna put some butter on. Next, just spread it around. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Don't get too close.
Oh, no.
Got $600 camera right here.
I ain't gonna burn it. You don't.
Just set it down.
Just set it down. No.
Then we're gonna layer on the ham. Here we go.
Ooh,
Listen to that purr.
woo. Put on our spices. Next, I'll finish up that box.
Now you gotta press it down like a screamer. Okay, now also you gotta flip it. Flip it. Perfection.
Next, cook for approximately 20 hours. I don't know. I don't know how many
Let's
minutes.
say it should be ready now. Let's go take a look. It should be what it looks like. And add some more seasoning on it just to top it off.
And now, turn off the flames and extinguish your blast.
Woo! Yay!
So good. Isn't it?
That's a classic recipe.
That wraps it up for this recipe. Oh, I got a stomach ache.